In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT for email. Let's get started. I'll begin by opening up Gmail, where I have a draft email open. I've written a short status update to my boss about a project delay, but it's a bit too casual and brief. I want to make it sound more professional, so I'll first add a closing sign-off to my original draft. Now, I'll select the entire message body that I just wrote and copy it to my clipboard. Next, I'll open a new tab in my browser and navigate to ChatGPT. Once it loads, I'll click on the main text input field at the bottom to paste a comprehensive prompt I've prepared. This prompt instructs ChatGPT to act as an expert corporate communicator and professional copywriter. It outlines the key information to include, such as the new deadline due to API integration issues, the requirement for the team to upload beta testing logs, and availability for a quick sync on Zoom. I also specified constraints, including a direct and collaborative tone, paragraph limits, and a maximum length of 150 words. I then paste my original draft at the very bottom and hit the send button. ChatGPT quickly processes the request and generates a polished response. It provides 3 compelling subject line options and a fully rewritten email body that perfectly formats the timeline update, action items, and sync details into a clear, structured corporate message. I review the generated text to make sure it looks good. Satisfied with the result, I hover over the response panel and click the copy icon to copy the entire message body. With the text copied, I navigate back to my Gmail tab. I select the old draft text in the message field, right-click, and select Paste to replace it with the new professional text generated by ChatGPT. Finally, I clear out the subject line field to prepare it for one of the options I copied earlier. And that's it, clear and simple. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.